Here I have VIVO T2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tapping on it, you can just switch your hotspot. By holding down your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. Here you can change hotspot name. Here you can change its. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. You can also set up one-time mobile data usage limit. You can set up maximum amount of connections. You can set hotspot to turn off automatically when no devices are connected, and you can also change its AP band. You can also use it for USB tethering, Bluetooth tethering, and Ethernet cable tethering. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.